freelancers, date today is May 15, 2025, which is ang deadline natin ng first quarter income tax return for the year 2025. Kung hindi ka pa po nakapag-file, make sure makapag-file ka today, at kung meron kang tax payable, mabayaran mo rin po today. Meron pong guide na pwede mong gamitin. Available ito sa ating community, Freelancers BIR Tax Compliance Support Group. 3 senaryo po ang available. Panoorin mo lang kung ano ang applicable sa'yo. Guide 1 para sa freelancer na less than 250k ang income. Guide 2 para sa freelancer na more than 250k ang income, or yung meron na agad tax payable sa first quarter ITR nila. At Guide 3 para sa freelancer na wala pong income for the first quarter, or yung mga kaka-register pa lang tapos wala pang income na ire-report, zero filing po. Remind ko lang, para lang po ito sa mga freelancer na naka 8% income tax rate option. My name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at J Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Para po sa mga questions nyo, dito na lang po sa ating community, Freelancers BIR Tax Compliance Support Group.
You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.